Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to scale price chart on TradingView. Firstly, you need to scale settings button in TradingView. You'll find the scale settings button directly below the price scale, which is the vertical axis on the right or left side of your chart. If there's only one price scale, you'll see a gear icon under it. Clicking this opens the scale settings for that specific scale. If there are multiple price scales, for example, when you're comparing multiple assets or using multiple pins, instead of the gear icon, you'll see a letter like A, B, etc. under each scale. These letters represent each individual scale. Just click the letter to open the settings for that specific price scale. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.